Hey everybody! Have you ever gotten a compliment that just stopped you in your tracks? One that wasn't just about your looks, but really resonated with your soul? We're not talking about a casual nice shoes here. We're talking about those deep, meaningful compliments that spark something special. These compliments are like secret passwords to a woman's heart, but they're not about cheesy pickup lines or being insincere. It's all about being genuine and respectful. Remember, words have power, and when used thoughtfully, they can create a real connection. So get ready to take some notes, because today we're diving into the top 3 forbidden compliments that will make her feel seen, appreciated, and maybe even a little weak in the knees. Let's do this! Compliment 1. You have an incredible mind. Now, when I say you have an incredible mind, I don't mean it in a creepy, Frankenstein kind of way. It's not about some mad scientist creation, but rather about the natural brilliance that shines through in your thoughts and actions. It's about recognizing her intelligence, her wit, her unique perspective on the world. It's about seeing the way she connects ideas, the way she navigates through complex topics with ease, and the way she brings a fresh viewpoint to every discussion. Maybe she just blew you away with her knowledge during a conversation, or maybe she has a knack for solving problems in a way that makes your head spin. Perhaps she has a talent for seeing solutions where others see only obstacles, or she can articulate her thoughts in a way that leaves you in awe. This compliment goes beyond the superficial. It's not just about acknowledging her looks or her style, but about appreciating the depth of her mind and the richness of her thoughts. It says, "I see you for the intelligent, insightful person you are. And trust me, that's a breath of fresh air for women who are often judged solely on their appearance." It's a recognition that goes deeper, that values her for her intellect and her inner world. It shows you're interested in what goes on inside her head, not just on the outside. You're curious about her thoughts, her ideas, her dreams, and her passions. But here's the key: be specific. General compliments are nice, but specific ones show that you're truly paying attention. Don't just throw the compliment out there like a frisbee. Make it count. Did her quick wit leave you impressed? Did her ability to think on her feet amaze you? Did her quick wit leave you impressed? Did her clever remark make you laugh and think at the same time? These are the moments to highlight. Did her unique take on a current event make you think differently? Tell her. Let her know that her perspective opened your eyes to something new. The way you connected those ideas was brilliant, or your perspective on that issue is so refreshing. These specific compliments show that you value her mind and her contributions. See? It's about being genuine and specific. It's about making her feel seen and appreciated for who she truly is. You're acknowledging her intelligence in a way that feels personal and sincere. It's not just a throwaway comment, but a meaningful recognition of her abilities and her mind. And that, my friends, is what makes this compliment so powerful. It's a way to connect on a deeper level, to show that you value her for more than just her appearance. It's like finding a $20 bill in your pocket. It's unexpected, it makes you feel good, and you're definitely going to remember it. It's a small gesture that can have a big impact. So the next time you're with a woman who impresses you with her mind, don't hold back. Let her know. Compliment her in a way that shows you truly see her, and watch how it lights up her day. Compliment 2. Your presence lights up the room. Okay, picture this. You walk into a room and there she is, surrounded by people laughing and chatting. It's like she's the sun, and everyone else is a planet orbiting around her. The room feels different, more alive just because she's there. But it's not just about her being the life of the party. It's about the energy she brings, the warmth she radiates. It's like she has this invisible glow that makes everyone feel better just by being near her. That's when you know her presence lights up the room. It's an unspoken magic, a kind of charisma that can't be faked or forced. This compliment isn't about a dazzling outfit or a perfect smile. It's about the positive aura she carries with her. It's about the way she makes people feel seen and valued. It's about how she makes everyone around her feel comfortable, happy, and at ease. She has this knack for turning any gathering into a warm, welcoming space. It's like she brings the sunshine with her wherever she goes. Her presence is like a breath of fresh air, a ray of light that brightens even the dullest of days. Now I know what you're thinking. Ellen, how do I say this without sounding cheesy? It's a valid concern, but there's a way to do it right. Easy peasy. Instead of just blurting it out, try something like, you know, you have this amazing ability to make everyone feel comfortable and happy. It's all about being specific and sincere. It's like the energy in the room shifts when you walk in. See? Specific and genuine. You're not just saying something generic. You're pointing out a real, tangible quality. You're not just commenting on her presence. You're acknowledging the positive impact she has on others. It's a way of showing that you truly see her for who she is. It's like telling a comedian they have you in stitches, or a musician they moved you to tears. It's about recognizing the unique way they touch people's lives. You're recognizing their talent, their gift. And that's what makes this compliment so special. It's not about superficial traits. It's about the deeper qualities that make her who she is. It's about recognizing the intangible qualities that make her truly radiant. It's about seeing the beauty in her kindness, her warmth, her ability to light up a room. It's about seeing beyond the surface and appreciating the light she brings into the world. It's a compliment that goes straight to the heart, acknowledging the true essence of who she is. Compliment 3. You make me want to be a better person. Now this last one, you make me want to be a better person, is a doozy. It's not just a simple compliment, it's a profound acknowledgement of the impact someone has on your life. It's the ultimate compliment because it's about acknowledging the positive influence she has on you. It's about seeing the best parts of her and feeling inspired to reflect those qualities in your own life. It's about recognizing that her kindness, her compassion, her drive inspires you to up your own game. Her actions and attitudes serve as a mirror, showing you the potential within yourself. This isn't about changing who you are for someone else. It's about recognizing the qualities in her that you admire and striving to cultivate those within yourself. It's about growth and self-improvement, driven by admiration and respect. Maybe her dedication to her goals inspires you to pursue your own dreams. Watching her work tirelessly towards what she believes in can light a fire within you to chase after your own aspirations with the same fervor. Or maybe her empathy towards others makes you want to be more compassionate. Seeing her extend a helping hand or offer a listening ear can remind you of the importance of kindness and understanding in your own interactions. Now, I know this one can feel a little vulnerable to say, but trust me, it's worth it. Opening up about how someone influences you positively can be a powerful moment of connection. The key is to be genuine and specific. Don't just say it to say it. Let her know how she inspires you. Share the moments and actions that have left a mark on you. For example, you could say, you know, your passion for helping others is truly inspiring. It makes me want to be more involved in my community. This shows that you notice and appreciate her efforts and that they have a tangible impact on you. Or, your dedication to your dreams is amazing. It reminds me that anything is possible if you set your mind to it. This not only compliments her, but also shares how her actions motivate you to strive for your own goals. See? You're not just paying her a compliment, you're opening up and sharing how she positively influences you. It's a way of saying that her presence in your life has a meaningful and lasting impact. It's about acknowledging the ripple effect of her actions and the impact she has on the world around her. Her dedication, her kindness, her passion, they all create waves that reach far beyond her immediate circle. This compliment is a powerful testament to her character and the mark she leaves on the people she encounters. It's about recognizing that her presence makes you want to be the best version of yourself. And that, my friends, is a compliment she'll never forget. It's a way of saying that her influence is so profound that it drives you to be better, to do better, and to live better. So, don't hold back. Let her know how she makes you feel. Let her know that her actions, her words, her very being inspire you to reach for greater heights. This kind of compliment is rare and precious. It's not about flattery. It's about genuine admiration and the desire to grow because of someone else's example. It's about recognizing that her presence makes you want to be the best version of yourself. And that, my friends, is a compliment she'll never forget. So go ahead, tell her, "You make me want to be a better person." It's a compliment that speaks volumes and one that will resonate deeply. Go forth and compliment. So there you have it. The top 3 forbidden compliments that will make her feel like she can conquer the world. Remember, it's not about using these compliments as pickup lines, but about genuinely appreciating the incredible women in your life. Use these compliments thoughtfully, respectfully, and be prepared for some serious heart-melting moments. And who knows, maybe you'll even inspire each other to be the best versions of yourselves. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the best compliment you've ever received or given? Share your stories in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more relationship advice and feel-good content. Until next time, be kind to one another.